got off to a sick start, and I struggled with my starts all day, and then when it counted, I got off to a good one, and then rode tight in the beginning, a little frustrating. Michael got a tad aggressive. He could have passed me. I knew he was a little faster in the beginning, so he had to block pass, and he had to do a little extra and take me out. So, man, once again, come from behind. So I think I got up around 5th or 6th, put my head down, and then caught up to these guys. And by that time, man, Hunter was in his zone, and it was hard to try to like match his speed, but it stings just because of how it went. But I gotta look big picture and keep doing what I'm doing, and it'll pay off at the end.
Hey, that was a big stare down when you came off. Like, clearly you were pretty frustrated. Did you guys say anything?
No, I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and whine. It's just, yeah, it stung a little bit, just the way it was handled. So usually we like to ride clean, and that's, like I said, 3 times now I've gotten cleaned out for the win. So.
There's Christian Craig doing a little post-race interview, which, as you can see, he did exactly what he needed to do starting the 250 main. He got out ahead, got a decent lead, Michael Mosiman following him, and then, 2 minutes in, couple corners here and there, and then, well, obviously we all know what happens. Mosiman gets a really good drive right here, catches up to Christian Craig coming into the last corner before the finish line, and takes him out. While you can say this isn't the dirtiest of passes, you can definitely say it probably didn't need to happen. Obviously, this is the 3rd time that Christian Craig has been taken down this year, come back to have a pretty good points haul. And as you can see through here, the first one not bad, the second one, Michael Mosiman's wheel definitely does come up from behind or underneath him, which really didn't matter because obviously a few minutes later, Christian Craig just catches him. And as you can see there on the podium, he does not look enthused.
It's racing, and I actually look back to A2 when we battled, and I raced him very, very clean, and arguably I think my team and those close to me would say I gave him a little bit too much room where I could have, and and he knew I could have pushed the limit there as well, and I remember he said. He said something like, that was awesome, great racing, but I know the more aggressive racing is coming. But I mean, I'm going forward. I'm going for the win, and I didn't come way hard into them. I was really right there on the entrance. I mean, it felt like racing to me.
So I'm going to pose a question here. In the comments below, tell me, do you think Mosiman needed to do this? Do you think he was just trying to get past him, or he could have done it by himself? Apparently, he got caught later on by Christian Craig because he said the crash bent his rotor, and every time it went around, it was locking the wheel. Who knows if that's true or not, but I think, they're all just they know Christian Craig is just massively faster than them in the season, and they're trying to get anything they can to get some sort of points back and try and beat him. But in the comments below, tell me what you think. Dirty, not dirty, or just stupid and could have been avoided. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Remember to do all the fun things like share, subscribe, comment, whatever, and I will see y'all later. Peace.